Hello everyone, we are presenting about ATF 20603 Business Accounting. Next, we are from Group 10 and this is my group member Suba, Pravitran, Aaron, Trishani, Harikisha and I, Lee J.
Would like to present about business accounting that are involved in a shop called Frosty Fresh. In today's business world, things move really fast, so accounting helps businesses to stay organized and manage their money properly. For this assignment, we choose a real company called Frosty Fresh, which sells frozen fruit and vegetables. This kind of business has high costs and a lot of inventory, so managing finances is very important. We look at Frosty Fresh's financial performance using basic accounting statements and also suggest a few ways the company can improve.
Hello everyone, my name is Lee J and my number matrix is 8243270. Now I will present about background company. Frosty Fresh is a business company dealing with frozen food industry, primarily frozen foods and vegetables, with stores and meticulous management and continuous improvement in the technology applied in refrigeration. Products to be sold to customers were assumed to be in good quality and thus sales gradually improved. The company primarily selects vegetables as its frozen food items for the reason that there is hardly any company capable of providing frozen vegetable products, whereas the demand from customers has not decreased, thereby giving it a good opportunity to sell frozen vegetable products. The vision of Frosty Fresh is to be the best supply in Malaysia for frozen vegetables food products.
Product introduction. There are six products in Frosty Fresh. One is frozen strawberries, 500 gram. These strawberries are picked when fully ripe and flash frozen to keep their bright color, natural sweetness, and vitamin C. They are suitable for smoothies, desserts, and baking. Secondly is frozen mixed berries, which is 300 to 400 gram. This mix of blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries is rich in antioxidants and fiber. It is ideal for healthy snacks, smoothies, and yogurt toppings. Number three is a frozen mango chunks, 1 kilogram. The mango is carefully peeled, cut into chunks, and IKEA frozen for easy portioning. It can be used in drinks, desserts, and cooking dishes. Number four, frozen mixed vegetables, 1 kilogram. A combination of carrots, peas, and corn that saves preparation time. It is suitable for daily cooking in homes and food businesses. Number five, frozen broccoli, florets, 500 gram. The broccoli is clean, trimmed, and flash frozen to maintain its crunch and nutrients. It works well as a quick side dish for ingredients in meals. Number six, and the last one is a frozen peas and carrots mix, which is 500 gram. These vegetables are frozen immediately after harvesting to preserve taste and color. They are convenient for soups, fried rice, and side dishes. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Harikishan Nair Analaki Jayaprakash and my matrix number is 824-83549. This slide shows the trial balance of Frosty Fresh S at 31st January 2025. The trial balance is prepared to check the accuracy of ledger postings by ensuring that total debits equal total credits. On the debit side, the main items include cash of RM 82,611, bank balance of 12,215, purchases of 7,447, assets such as office furniture, equipments, and motor van, as well as trade debtors. On the credit side, the business recorded capital of 99,000, sales of 10,930, long-term loans from bank and RHB, trade creditors, and accrued expenses. The total debit and credit are both RM 129,700, which means the trial balance is correctly balanced. In conclusion, the trial balance provides the basis for preparing the final accounts, including the income statement and statement of financial position. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. I'll be presenting the analysis of Frosty Fresh statement of profit and loss. First, let's look at revenue. The company achieved total sales of RM 10,930 with net sales of RM 10,788 after accounting for returns. The reflects solid market penetration, especially among cafes and retail customers. Next, gross profit. With COGS effectivity managed at RM 946, the gross profit stands strong at RM 9,842, thanks to supplier discount and smart pricing strategies. However, operating expenses tell us a different story. Total expenses reached RM 11,010, leading to a net loss of RM 1,168. Major costs like rent, utilities, and insurance are the key contributors. So, what can be improved? Frosty Fresh need to control fixed costs and improve inventory handling to reduce returns. The strategic goal now is to shift focus towards efficiency and expenses management to ensure long-term sustainability. Thank you.
Based on the statement of financial position, Frosty Fresh demonstrates a strong financial standing with total assets amounting to 117,291 ringgit, of which the majority comprise current assets totaling 103,191 ringgit. This asset structure indicates a very high level of liquidity and strong short-term financial strength, as a significant portion of the company's resources is held in cash, bank balance, and inventory. In contrast, non-current assets are relatively low at 14,100 ringgit and consists mainly of office furniture, office equipment, and a motor van used for daily operation and stock distribution. The low level of non-current assets suggests that Frosty Fresh is not a capital-intensive business and maintains flexibility in its long-term commitments. The liquidity position of the business is particularly strong, with current assets far exceeding current liabilities of 8,459 ringgit, resulting in a current ratio of approximately 12.2 to 1. This indicates that Frosty Fresh is more than capable of meeting its short-term obligations as they fall due and has a substantial cash buffer to absorb unforeseen expenses or short-term financial shocks. Net trade receivables are relatively low at 2,115 ringgit, suggesting that the business relies heavily on cash sales, which reduce the risk of bad debts and support stable cash flows. Inventory stands at 6,250 ringgit, and given the nature of frozen food products, effective inventory management is crucial to prevent spoilage or excess stock. On the financing side, honest equity of 97,832 ringgit is the main source of funding, while long-term liabilities are low at 11,000 ringgit, reflecting low financial risk and a strong solvency position. Overall, Frosty Fresh is financially stable and highly liquid. However, better utilization of excess cash and inventory is necessary to improve profitability and long-term efficiency.
Area of improvement business. 1. Cost control and expense management. Needs to assess and analyze its expenses and develop strategies to reduce costs and minimize losses. Number 2 is inventory management and waste reduction. Understand customer needs while ensuring the quality of its frozen vegetables meets all consumer expectation. Number 3, credit control and accounts receivable management. Implement stricter credit management mention. Establish transparent credit terms and closely monitor accounts receivable. Number 4 is sales growth and marketing effectiveness. Develop an effective marketing plan, strengthen advertising, explore new markets. Number 5 is finance planning and profitability. Focus on improving efficiency and profitability.
To conclude, Frosty Fresh showed a mixed financial performance. Even though the company recorded a good sale and strong gross profit, high operating costs and caused the business to make a net loss for the period. However, the Frosty Fresh is in a good position where it comes to liquidity. The company has high cash balance and low current liabilities, which mean it can easily pay its short debt. Overall, the business is financially stable, but need to improve cost control, manage inventory better, and increase sales to become more profitable in the long run. This shows how accounting helps businesses understand their performance and make better decisions. Thank you.